In this short video, we will show you how to download an Excel spreadsheet with tree links. You can use those tree links in your own marketing email programs. First, go to Get Started and select the Tree Manager. Then click on the Download Spreadsheet option. In the menu above, you notice 3 steps. In the first step, you have to complete some of your company details, including uploading your logo, customizing the tree marker icon, selecting your company's primary color, and adding your company name and website. The second step is to choose a gift box. The gift box is the main part of the landing page and the first thing a tree recipient will see. Forest customers can fully customize the gift box. In the next step, you define the number of tree links you want, how many trees per link, the country where the trees are located, and the preferred language of the tree recipients. Once you click Generate, EcoMatcher will generate the spreadsheet and send an email to your email address that enables you to download the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet shows you the tree links, the countries where the trees are, and each tree code that can be used in Tree Tracker. Happy gifting!